In this video, we will show you how to replace your mass airflow sensor. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. First, let's locate the mass airflow sensor, right here, next to the air filter housing. To easily access this, we'll make our way over towards the driver's side of the top of the air filter housing. You're going to find two metal clips. Go ahead and loosen those. We'll set those aside. Now you can grab this upper air filtering housing box and separate it. At this point, you have a nice clear view of the wiring for the mass airflow sensor. Along the bottom, you can see that it has a red locking tab where my index finger is. Carefully pull that away from the sensor to unlock the wiring harness. Once you've done that, we'll continue on by squeezing on the little tab. Right there's the tab. Give it a quick inspection for corrosion, and then set that aside. Now we can move along to removing our two T20 screws that hold the mass airflow sensor to the air filter housing box. There's one. We'll set that aside and do the same to the other. Take hold of your mass airflow sensor and remove it from the air filter housing. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our mass airflow sensor. As I turn this, you can see that there is a port where the sensing agent is. That's the part that needs to be facing towards the air filter, so when the engine's drawing air in, it'll be going through this area. Let's slide it directly into the air filter housing. Once you have it in place, continue on with your two mounting screws. Start them both in and then snug them up. Make sure it's completely secured to the air filter housing. Continue on with your electrical wiring. We'll slide this into place and listen for a click. Once you've got a small click, go ahead and lock it in with that red locking tab. Press it towards the mass airflow sensor. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's secured to the mass airflow sensor. Now we can reattach the upper housing to the lower air filter housing. Looking along this side, you're going to see a whole bunch of slots coming across the top of the housing. And if you were to look at the bottom housing, you'll find a whole bunch of little tabs that protrude out. Those tabs need to fit into each of the corresponding holes. Lock it in with your two locking clips. Give your housing a wiggle to make sure it's completely secured together. The next thing you need to do is start up the vehicle. Make sure you don't have a check engine light and take it for a road test. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.